We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the tutorial for the beginners in AutoCAD software.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Till this video we were working in Model tab. Now let us move to Layout tab. Layout is a 2D working environment for creating drawing sheets. The area within a layout is called paper size. This dotted rectangular space over the screen is called the paper size, and this rectangular space is known as viewport. Here in this layout you can add a title block and display the scaled views of model space within layout viewports. And you can create tables, schedules, note and dimensions for your drawing with your draw and modify toolbar. You can use multiple layout tabs to display the details of various components. And you can use multiple layout tabs to display details of various components of your model at several scales and on different sheet size. Each layout stores its own page setup, which controls the appearance and format for displaying and printing each layout. You can customize the layout by going into the Page Setup Manager. You can right click here, Page Setup Manager. Before going into Page Setup Manager, let us see how to create new layouts in AutoCAD. Two quick ways new layout can be created are to use layout command and choose new. Enter the new layout name. Here default name is layout 3. New layout has been created. Or right click on the layout tab and select new layout. So here we have now two layouts. We have created new two layouts. Once you go to that particular layout, the software by default will ask to set up the layout page. Here we have Page Setup Manager window. Let's modify the page setup for the layout 1. For that, select the layout 1 in the pop-up and click Modify. It will give the access to the available settings. In the page setup dialog box, you can change a number of options including paper size of your sheet, printer options, plot style and color option, paper orientation and plot scale, to name a few. I have arranged my page into A4 size and selected the plotter into PDF. Click OK. Close the Page Setup Manager. Once your layout is set up, try adding a title block to provide more details about your project and drawing, as well as giving it a professional look. Title blocks can be created from scratch or imported in a variety of ways, including from a drawing template, blog, or existing drawing scheme. Some standard title blocks are included with AutoCAD and can be found in your template folders. I have used a default template from the Autodesk. Our page is ready. Now we have to display our model at different scales, views and angles within the drawing in this sheet. For that, we will go for viewports. To create a new viewport, use the viewport command. To choose from a variety of standard viewports, including single, 2, 3, etc. in various orientation. Or use the layout ribbon to make custom viewport in different shapes and location. Using this method, you can create viewports to show entire design or separate details of the design at different scales and angles. Viewports can be made using a variety of objects including polygons, rectangles, and circles. That's for now. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe us for more videos.